Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 13.2 question number 5. A farmer has enough food to feed 20 animals in his cattle for 6 days. How long would the food last if there were 10 more animals in his cattle? Here let us solve. Here given give we have made a table. Here the number of animals. When the number of animals to feed is 20, number of days it lasts is 6. When the number of animals is 10 more, there is 20 plus 10, then it is equal to 30. And let us take the number of days that the food lasts will be x for 30 animals. Here you see that the number of animals to feed, that the number of animals, number of animals, number of animals, number of animals to feed, number of animals to feed, and the number of days, and the number of days, and the number of days, and the number of days are in inverse proportion. Inverse are inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Therefore, you can write 20 into 6 is equal to 30 into x, or x can be written as 20 into 6 divided by 30. This 0 will cancel. 3 and 3, 3 to just 6. This 2 to just 4. That means it will be 4 days. X is equal to 4. Right? How long would the food last if there were 10 more animals in his cattle? Therefore, you can say that the food will last for the food would last for 4 days. Last for 4 days. 4 days. Right? That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.